today's digital world, our personal and professional lives are increasingly entwined with technology. But as we rely more on computers, smartphones, and the internet, the risk of cyber threats grows. Hackers are constantly evolving their tactics to access sensitive information, from passwords to financial data. Understanding how hackers operate is the first step in protecting yourself. In this video, we'll explore the methods hackers use to access your data, and most importantly, how you. Hacking refers to the unauthorized access to computer systems or networks. Hackers use a variety of techniques to bypass security measures and steal information. Some hackers are motivated by financial gain, while others may seek to disrupt operations or simply prove their skills. The term hacker can encompass individuals, organized groups, or even state-sponsored actors. By understanding the motivations and methods behind hacking, you can better appreciate the importance of cybersecurity. Phishing is one of the most widespread hacking techniques. Hackers send emails or messages that appear legitimate, tricking you into revealing sensitive information like passwords or credit card number. These messages often mimic trusted sources, such as banks or popular websites. Once you click a link or download an attachment, your data can be compromised. Phishing attacks are becoming increasingly sophisticated, making it crucial to stay vigilant, recognizing suspicious emails and verifying. Malware, short for malicious software, is designed to infiltrate your devices and steal information. Hackers use malware to gain access to files, monitor your activity, or even control your computer remotely. Common types include viruses, trojans, ransomware, and spyware. Malware can be spread through email attachments, downloads, or infected websites. Protecting yourself from malware involves keeping your software updated, using antivirus programs, and avoiding suspicious downloads. Social engineering is a technique where hackers manipulate people into divulging confidential information. Instead of attacking technology, they target human psychology. Examples include impersonating coworkers, creating fake emergency, or using persuasive language to gain trust. Social engineering can happen over the phone, in person, or online. The best defense is awareness. Always verify identities and be cautious about sharing information. Next, we'll explore how hackers exploit. Using weak or easily guessable passwords is a common mistake that hackers exploit. Simple passwords like 1,23,456 or password can be cracked in seconds. Hackers use automated tools to try thousands of combinations quickly. To stay safe, create strong passwords with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using personal information, and never reuse passwords across multiple accounts. Password managers can help you generate and store. Public Wi-Fi networks are convenient, but often lack proper security. Hackers can intercept data transmitted over unsecured networks, capturing login credentials and sensitive information. Avoid accessing financial accounts or confidential files on public Wi-Fi. If you must use it, consider a virtual private network, VPN, to encrypt your connection. Always log out of accounts and disable automatic connections to open networks. Next, we'll discuss how hackers use. Brute force attacks involve hackers systematically trying every possible password combination until they find the right one. Automated software makes this process fast and efficient. Accounts with weak passwords are especially vulnerable. To defend against brute force attacks, enable account lockouts after multiple failed attempts and use multi-factor authentication. Strong, unique passwords are your best defense. Let's move on to another common method: exploiting software vulnerability. Hackers often exploit flaws in software to gain access to systems. These vulnerabilities can exist in operating systems, applications, or even firmware. When software is outdated, it may lack critical security patches, making it an easy target. Regularly updating your devices and applications is essential. Developers release patches to fix known vulnerabilities, so staying current helps prevent attacks. Next, we'll look at how hackers use keyloggers to monitor your activity. Keyloggers are a type of malware that record every keystroke you make. Hackers use keyloggers to capture passwords, credit card number, and other sensitive information. Keyloggers can be installed through phishing emails, malicious downloads, or infected USB devices. To protect yourself, use antivirus software and avoid clicking on suspicious links or attachments. If you suspect your device is compromised, run a malware scan immediately. Let's explore how hackers use ransomware. Ransomware is a form of malware that locks your file and demands payment for their release. Hackers target individuals, businesses, and even government agencies. Ransomware often spreads through phishing emails or infected downloads. Paying the ransom doesn't guarantee your files will be restored, and it encourages further attacks. The best defense is regular backups and strong security practices. Let's see how hackers use spyware to monitor your action. Spyware is designed to secretly monitor your activity and collect information without your knowledge. Hackers use spyware to track browsing habits, steal login credentials, and gather personal data. Spyware can be installed through malicious downloads or bundled with legitimate software. Protect yourself by using reputable antivirus programs and being cautious about what you install. Next, we'll discuss how hackers exploit unsecured devices in your home. Many homes now have smart devices like cameras, thermostats, and speakers. If these devices aren't properly secured, hackers can access them remotely. Default passwords and outdated firmware are common vulnerabilities. Always change default credentials and update device software regularly. Secure your home network with strong Wi-Fi passwords and consider segmenting devices on separate networks. Next, we'll look at how hackers use fake websites to steal information. Hackers create fake websites that look identical to legitimate ones. These sites trick users into entering login credentials or personal information. Always check the website address and look for secure connection, HTTPS. Avoid clicking on links from unknown sources and use bookmarks for trusted sites. Browser security features can help detect fake websites, but vigilance is key. Next, we'll discuss how hackers exploit social media platforms. Social media platforms are rich targets for hackers. They can gather information, impersonate users, or spread malware through messages and posts. Be cautious about what you share online and review privacy settings regularly. Don't accept friend requests from unknown people and avoid clicking on suspicious links. Social media can be a gateway to more serious attacks if your accounts are compromised. Next, we'll explore how hackers use physical access to steal data. Sometimes, hackers gain access by physically stealing devices or finding unattended computers. Always lock your devices and use strong passwords. Enable encryption on laptops and smartphones to protect data if they're lost or stolen. Be mindful of your surroundings, especially in public spaces. Physical security is just as important as digital security. Next, we'll look at how hackers use data breaches to access large amounts of information. Data breach occurs when hackers access large databases of information, often from companies or organizations. Breaches can expose username, passwords, financial records, and more. If your information is involved in a breach, change passwords immediately and monitor accounts for suspicious activity. Companies should notify affected users and improve security measures. Next, we'll discuss how hackers use identity theft to commit fraud. Identity theft happens when hackers use stolen information to impersonate victims and commit fraud. This can include opening credit accounts, making purchases, or accessing medical records. Protect yourself by monitoring credit reports and using identity theft protection services. Never share sensitive information unless absolutely necessary. Next, we'll look at how hackers exploit cloud storage vulnerability. Cloud storage is convenient, but can be vulnerable if not properly secured. Hackers may exploit weak passwords or misconfigured settings to access files. Always use strong authentication and review sharing permission. Encrypt sensitive files before uploading and choose reputable cloud provider. Next, we'll discuss how hackers use denial of service attacks to disrupt services. Denial of service (DoS) attacks overwhelm systems with traffic, making them unavailable to users. Hackers use these attacks to disrupt websites, networks, or services. While DoS attacks don't directly steal data, they can distract from other hacking activity. Protect your systems with firewalls and monitoring tools. Next, we'll look at how hackers use botnets to coordinate large-scale attacks. Botnets are networks of infected devices controlled by hackers. They can be used for large-scale attacks, including sending spam, launching DoS attacks, or stealing data. Protect your devices by keeping software updated and using strong security settings. If your device is acting strangely, it may be part of a botnet. Next, we'll discuss how hackers use advanced persistent threats for long-term access. Advanced Persistent Threats (APT) are sophisticated attacks where hackers maintain long-term access to systems. These are often state-sponsored and target high-value information. APT use multiple techniques, including malware, phishing, and social engineering. Detecting APT requires advanced monitoring and threat intelligence. Next, we'll look at how hackers use zero-day exploits to attack before patches are available. Zero-day exploits target vulnerabilities that are unknown to developers. Hackers use these flaws before patches are released, making them highly dangerous. Stay safe by enabling automatic updates and using security software that detects unusual activity. Next, we'll discuss how hackers use physical media like USB drives to spread malware. Hackers can use infected USB drives to spread malware. Never plug unknown USB devices into your computer. Disable auto-run feature and scan all external devices with antivirus software. Physical media can be a hidden threat, so always be cautious. Next, we'll look at how hackers use fake tech support scams. Fake tech support scams trick users into giving remote access to their computers. Hackers pose as legitimate company and claim your device has a problem. Never allow remote access unless you're sure of the source. Hang up on unsolicited calls and verify support contacts independently. Next, we'll discuss how hackers use email attachments to deliver malware. Hackers often use email attachments to deliver malware. Never open attachments from unknown sources and always scan files before downloading. Email filters and antivirus programs can help, but vigilance is essential. Next, we'll look at how hackers use fake apps to steal information. Hackers create fake apps that mimic legitimate ones to steal information. Only download apps from official stores and check reviews before installing. Permissions should be reviewed carefully. Never grant unnecessary access. Next, we'll discuss how hackers use outdated devices to exploit vulnerability. Devices that are no longer supported by manufacturers may lack security updates, making them vulnerable to hackers. Always replace outdated devices and ensure all software is up to date. Next, we'll look at how hackers use network sniffing to intercept data. Network sniffing is a technique where hackers intercept data transmitted over networks, secure your Wi-Fi with strong encryption, and avoid transmitting sensitive information over unsecured connection. Next, we'll summarize key steps you can take to stay safe from hackers. Stay safe from hackers. Combine strong passwords, updated software, and cautious online behavior. Use multi-factor authentication, backup important file, and monitor your accounts for suspicious activity. Be aware of phishing, malware, and social engineering tactics. Protect your devices, networks, and personal information. Cybersecurity is an ongoing process. Stay informed and proactive to keep your data secure. Thank you for watching, and remember, your safety online starts with you.